What things do you do to be a really good listener? Yes. Nod your head. Yes, absolutely. Nod your head. What else?
Ask questions.
Ask questions. Good.
Using parallel examples.
Using parallel examples. Tell me a little more what you mean by that.
I was talking about how I like to puzzle, and he was talking about how someone else was puzzling.
Okay, so just be careful with that. That's good to go along with what the person's saying. That's very important, but be real careful about this. And let me give you an example. Your name is?
Lucas.
Lucas. Lucas, tell me, do you have any summer plans?
I just got back from a trip from Florida.
Oh, I just got back from a trip from Florida. I love going to Florida. It's a great place to go for vacation. Now, how good of a listener was I just now, right? So I'm doing something parallel. I'm taking something you said and I'm grabbing it, but I just took control of the whole conversation. So try it again. Where did you go on vacation?
St. Augustine.
Oh, tell me about it. What did you do down there?
Nothing much. It was 3 of our families all together, and we all just hung out on the beach and had a good time.
Have you been to St. Augustine before?
We try to go every year. So, yeah.
Why there?
A lot of our family is from up north, and they don't get down south very often, and they like to go and burn. So it's very fun.
Okay. Now, did you see the difference in how I just communicated? So many of us do this. When somebody starts talking, we can try to connect by hijacking the story and saying, oh, I know what you mean, I do that too. Or, you went to St. Augustine, I just went to Europe. Yeah. What was the point of connecting with somebody that way, right? So be careful. You want to do some parallel, but just be careful you're not hijacking and taking control. You want to be able to listen.